How to make an outline in Novelcrafter. My name is Avon Lee Dean. Before you look at this tutorial, you should look at the tutorial called Novelcrafter for Outliners, which is a conceptual predecessor to this tutorial. You can find the link in the comments below. What is an outline? An outline is a roadmap for the author, helping her organize the story structure. It allows the author to plan out the key story elements and test different ideas, before diving into the full writing process. The basic structure of a novel is that it consists of a number of chapters, and that each chapter consists of a number of scenes. In the example we will use in this tutorial, we will have one novel summary. A novel summary is normally called a synopsis. Our novel will have 7 chapters, each one having one summary. Each chapter will have 6 scenes, so the number of scene summaries will be 7 times 6, that is 42. So our outline will consist of 50 summaries. As of June 2024, Novelcrafter has a place for scene summaries, but not for novel summary, nor for chapter summaries. So we have to put them in the snippets. We will use AI to produce our summaries. To use AI, you enter a prompt, and you get a proposed text as a feedback. You then process that text manually until you get something you are content with. And that will be the final text. And that is what we will put into a snippet. Okay, let's now look at the plan for this tutorial. We will start by transferring our synopsis into a snippet. Then we will generate chapter summaries, which we will put in a snippet. And then we will take chapter 1 summary, and generate scene summaries for that chapter, which we will put in another snippet. Then we will stop. This part is done with Chat AI, and with snippets. In another tutorial we will explore how to go from our snippets, over to plan, and generate prose. So, that is the plan for this tutorial. Let's now take a look what we aim to generate. We will start by putting our synopsis into a snippet. Then we will use AI, to divide the synopsis into 7 chapters. We will call it chapter summaries, and we will put it in another snippet. It will contain chapter 1 summary, the chapter 2 summary, and so on. Then we will copy chapter 1 summary, and use AI to divide the chapter into 6 scenes. We will call it chapter 1, scene summaries, and we will put it in another snippet. It will contain scene 1.1 summary, scene 1.2 summary, and so on. So in this tutorial, we aim to produce these 3 snippets. Okay, so let's now go to Novelcrafter, begin to work hands-on. We are inside a browser. And here is our Novelcrafter account. On the right-hand side we have 2 documents. The synopsis, which contains the summary of the novel. And then we have an empty document, called temp.txt, which we will use to rewrite the proposed suggestions that we get from the AI. We have already populated our codex. To see how that is done, take a look at the tutorial Novelcrafter codex, the link is in the comments below. Now we want to create our outline and put it into the snippets. Now I want to take the synopsis and put it in a snippet. So I copy it. Then I go to Snippets. And click on New Snippet. And paste it in. Also fix the title. Click outside. And there I have my synopsis. Now I want to make chapter summaries. So I will go to Chats. And I will make a new thread. Open thread. I will call this, Chapter Summaries. And I will select a haiku. Now I will use this prompt. Divide the text below into 7 chapters. Each chapter should contain a title. Use present tense 3D person omniscient. Use only few adjectives and adverbs. Synopsis. And then I need to paste my synopsis. And then I'll send it away. And here is the feedback. And it looks good. Now I will use this prompt. Expand each chapter's summary to 200 words. I'll send it away. Here is the result. I will copy this. I will go to my temp text and paste it in. And now I will look it over, and I will manually rewrite it to my liking. When I am done, I will cut it. And then I will go to my snippets. I will make a new snippet and paste it in. Adjust the title. And now I have chapter summaries. Now I want to make scene summaries for the chapter 1. So I will go to Chats. New thread. Open thread. Name it Chapter 1, Scene Summaries. Choose haiku. Enter this prompt. Divide the text below into 6 scenes. Each scene should contain a title. Use present tense 3D person omniscient. Use only few adjectives and adverbs. Chapter 1 Summary. Now I will copy Chapter 1 summary from the snippets. And paste it in. And send it. Here is the feedback. Now I will enter this prompt. Expand each scene summary to 200 words. And send it. And here is the feedback, proposed scene summaries for Chapter 1. I will copy this. I will go to my temp text and paste it in. And now I will look it over, and I will manually rewrite it to my liking. When I am done, I will cut it. And then I will go to my snippets. I will make a new snippet and paste it in. Adjust the title. Click outside. And so, I now have synopsis. I have chapter summaries. And I have scene summaries for Chapter 1. Okay, so we have done what we set out to do. We can continue in this way until all the scenes for Chapter 1 are done. And then take Chapter 2, and Chapter 3, and all the other chapters. And then we will have our whole outline done. Okay, let's summarize. So in summary, an outline is a roadmap for the author, helping her organize the story structure. The writing of prose is not a part of the outline. The outline serves as a scaffolding for producing the prose. Okay, some advice before we finish. When working with outline, there are many details to keep track of. It is easy to get lost. Watch this tutorial several times. Try to follow the steps with a novel of your own. Try to replicate everything step by step. You will have to do it several times before the details sink in, and you get familiar with all the tools. Okay, that's everything for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.